This is the SOS Peapod seating system. It's a great alternative for our clients that don't like to spend all of their time in their wheelchair or in their bed. They can sit in the lounge with their family and watch TV, or they can take it away with them when they're going on holiday. It consists of the beanbag, the positioning bolster, a moulded liner, which has a growth liner as well for when our clients grow, and it also has a velour cover, which offers some sensory feedback, and our clients really love it. You've also got a headrest for positioning and a lap belt. And within the moulded liner, you have a pommel, inbuilt pommel, some lateral support, and quite a lot of dump in that seat. It's a great option and our families love it. The Peapod comes in 6 sizes, so we've got a size to suit every one of our young clients through to our tall young adults. And you can also get accessories like the tray, the foot bolster, a mobile base, and a range of vests and belts.